Now cutting across to Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh, who's locked in a fierce political fight with his Delhi counterpart Arvind Kejriwal over ongoing farm stir. Amrinder Singh has called Kejriwal's day-long fast in support of the farmers as hypocrisy. Captain Amrinder Singh has called Kejriwal a shameless liar who's backstabbed the farmers. Amrinder said that Kejriwal had himself implemented the farm laws in Delhi and now he's just doing politics. Reacting to Amrinder's comment, Kejriwal accused him of striking a deal with the centre to save his son from the Enforcement Directorate. Kejriwal accused Amrinder of letting down farmers. Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is sitting on a day-long fast in support of protesting farmers. He said that current farm laws will in fact lead to a rise in prices of vegetables and fruits and also a shortage, which would be affecting the common man eventually. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar termed Kejriwal a hypocrite over staging a fast. Javadekar had said that Kejriwal had promised amendments to the APMC Act during Punjab polls and even notified farm laws in Delhi in November last month.
We have Saurabh Bharadwaj with us. Sir, the BJP is alleging that you all, the opposition in particular, is trying to hijack the protest of the farmers, that this is mere opportunism.
No, I think BJP is nervous. And I think when you are in power, you should shed your arrogance. You should be more human. And I think all the political parties, in fact my political party, everybody is in politics because we are here to raise the issues of the people. So if we don't raise the issues of the people, we are not doing justice to our work. So I think this is our duty to raise these issues, whether the issues are of farmers, whether issues are of workers. These three laws are just to give away farming and retailing of food grains, dals, rice and everything to the top corporates of the country. Captain Amrinder Singh is hand in gloves with the BJP. Even while he was running for elections, we were there in Punjab. We know that in last 2 days, the BJP and RSS was asked to vote for Congress. I think any of the political observers who were there on the ground know that BJP workers voted for Captain Amrinder Singh in 2017.
आज अगर हमारे किसान भाई बहन इस ठिठुरती हुई ठंड में ट्रैक्टर ट्रॉली में सोने के लिए मजबूर हुए हैं, वो इसलिए है कि इस केंद्र सरकार ने, इस अहंकारी केंद्र सरकार ने हमारे किसान भाई बहनों के पास और कोई रास्ता नहीं छोड़ा है। आज वो मजबूरी में आके बैठे हैं। वो बार-बार केंद्र सरकार को कहते रहे कि ये कानून ठीक नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी केंद्र सरकार ने कुछ बड़े-बड़े कॉर्पोरेट घरानों को फायदा पहुंचाने के लिए ऑर्डिनेंस के माध्यम से किसानों के विरोध के बावजूद ये 3 कानून पास किए।
Cutting across to Kamaljeet Sandhu joining us from outside the Aam Aadmi Party office. Kamaljeet, as much as the farmers tried to keep the character of their protests apolitical, we're looking at opposition parties or even the Aam Aadmi Party here in Delhi jumping in, taking the stage to criticize the government. Kejriwal there holding a day-long fast in support of the farmers. The sentiments could be genuine, but unfortunately here it's going to be looked at as a political one-upmanship. Take us through the Aam Aadmi Party's take on the farmers' laws, in fact the farm laws, which they themselves intended to implement in November.
Nabila, I hope that through the cacophony of these microphones you can really hear me. But this is an interesting time because all political parties claim they're standing for the farmers. That is also the case with the Aam Aadmi Party. Instead, they're also taking this matter into their own hands and stating that both the BJP as well as the Captain Amrinder Singh are against the farmers. They're also alleging crony capitalism and saying Adani and Ambani are being supported by this particular group. The other part is that the BJP has put pressure on ED and questioning of Amrinder Singh's son has made him bow to the pressure. Now remember, these are allegations being leveled even as the farmers are on the outskirts of Delhi. They are saying we are in full support of the farmers, we are against the farmer bill. Again, BJP has been alleging that Aam Aadmi Party is only doing Nautanki. They're doing drama because they are the ones who implemented one of the farm bills. If they had this kind of opposition, why did they not oppose it then? Clearly, it's all about politics. It's also symbolic that they're doing they are doing protest. It's also that they're fasting on this particular day. Clearly, when it comes to an issue like this will be paying political dividends in times to come, because Aam Aadmi Party has stake even in Punjab. But yes, the politics at the helm of affairs. Besides that, we also expect Arvind Kejriwal to be present here at around 4 o'clock. When this entire lot of party leadership breaks its fast. But right now, this is a time when they take on the Modi government. They're saying this being capitalist. They're also alleging crony capitalism and also hitting out both the BJP and the Punjab government simultaneously.
Kamalji, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that. But one can't help but notice that Kejriwal himself had intended to implement the law last month in November, now goes around to support the farmers, asking for a complete rollback of the farm laws. Let's understand, why are other political parties slamming Kejriwal and why are they calling Kejriwal's protest here as hypocrisy? Kejriwal had implemented Produce, Trade and Commerce Law in Delhi last month, and this allows farmers to trade outside of the mandis. The second law that he intended to implement is the Price Assurance and Services Law. That ensures better prices for farmers, but yet to be implemented in Delhi. That hasn't yet been implemented, but he intended to do so. And the third law there is Essential Commodities Law, and that gives price stability for farmers and consumers. Now, this law also is yet to get a nod in Delhi. Kejriwal has intended to implement these laws. It was also further approved and he conceded with. And now he's gone back to supporting the farmers, calling these black laws and entirely asking for striking off these laws with immediate effect. Now, here are some of the political reactions coming in on the ongoing farmers' protest. Let's take a listen.
यांच्या न्याय हक्काबद्दल जर कोणी काय बोललं तर तो देशद्रोही. मग उद्या मी तुम्हाला अर्थात ते कालचं तुमचं आंदोलन हे त्या कायद्याविरुद्ध होतं, पण मग मी तुम्हाला असं म्हणेन का की हे चीनी पत्रकार आहेत, हे पाकिस्तानी पत्रकार आहेत, हा हे अयोग्य आहे. म्हणजे जर विरोधात बोलला आणि त्याला तुरुंगात टाकलं ही आणीबाणी असेल, तर न्याय हक्कासाठी लढ्याला उतरल्यानंतर त्यांना देशद्रोही ठरवणं हे आणीबाणीपेक्षाही जास्त मोठं पातक आहे.
हर राजनीतिक दल को आपके लोक जीवन में अगर आप हैं, तो अगर लोक जीवन के सरोकारों के साथ नहीं खड़े होते तो फिर राजनीति किस बात की. तो जाहिर तौर पर यह दबाव तमाम दलों, इवन एनडीए के अंदर, क्या वजह है कि अकाली दल ने, शिरोमणि अकाली दल ने छोड़ दिया? क्या वजह है कि हनुमान बेनीवाल कह रहे हैं कि मैं छोड़ दूंगा? वो दबाव है. बीजेपी के 303 सांसद बेचारे करें क्या? मरता क्या ना करता, उनको जी हां करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन दबाव वो भी महसूस कर रहे हैं.
ये पूरा की पूरा जो मुहिम है वो हकीकत से कोसों दूर और भ्रम के भूत से मजबूर है. ये अभी जो जिन लोगों ने भय और भ्रम का भूत खड़ा किया है, ये वो साजिशी सियासी सिंडिकेट है जो पूरी तरह से जनता द्वारा नकार दिया गया है. मंडियां सुरक्षित हैं, खेत खलिहान सुरक्षित हैं, एमएसपी सुरक्षित है. और यही नहीं, मोदी जी के शासनकाल में रिकॉर्ड एमएसपी के जरिए भुगतान हुआ है, रबी के भी और खरीफ की भी फसलों का. तो अब सवाल यहाँ कंफ्यूजन का खड़ा कहाँ होता है?
हम तो यहाँ से दिल्ली सरकार को अपनी आवाज पहुँचाने के लिए चले थे, हमें रास्ते में रोक दिया गया बैरियर लगा के. हम यहाँ बैठ गए. अगर वो बैरियर अब खोल देते हैं, हम 1 घंटे में यहाँ से चले जाएंगे. अगर नहीं खोलते तो वापस नहीं जाएंगे. यहाँ बैठे हैं, बैठ के संघर्ष करेंगे. जैसे हमारे साथी सिंगू बॉर्डर पे हैं, टिकरी बॉर्डर पे हैं, गाजीपुर बॉर्डर पे हैं. हमने सोचा था कि हम जाके दिल्ली के कोने वाले तक पहुंच पाएंगे, लेकिन अगर यहाँ रोक दिया गया तो यहीं से हम अपनी आवाज उठाएंगे.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.